Shining, sparkling, glistering, glittering, and more, the most significant element on this planet Earth, gold. We all might think that what is that thing about gold that makes it so valuable? It is not just in this era, but gold has maintained its significance image in human civilization, even if you see like previous generations. In 2020, when the global markets were not doing well and stock markets were falling, people were rushing towards buying gold. Because over time gold has been established as backup currency in society. For instance, if all monetary systems fail today, we would move towards gold as measure of value, and people were buying gold in two forms, which are digital and physical. Difference between these two, let's see what it has to do with the impact on people like us. Physical gold, when got in jewelry, shouldn't be considered as investment but as consumption, because there are drawbacks when buying it for investment purpose, such as first is the cost to buy, which is design and making fees ranging from 5% to 20%. Second is cost to hold and storage problem, where you have to store it securely, and this has this. Even if you decided to store it in locker of bank, the bank will charge you locker fees, which is recurring, which adds to cost of you buying that gold. Third is authenticity. In today's world, even where milk is mixed with water, there can be questions relating to authenticity, or also it depends on which city you are buying it and from which jeweler or dealer. Is it trusted or not? Fourth is you don't get any income from it. I mean, any interest from holding that gold. Physical gold as investment, talking about coins and biscuits, in this there is no chance of authenticity risk because you are investing in 24 karat gold, which is pure. Second is there is no design and making fees, but there is issue of storage here, where there is risk of storing it in your home or any bank, and you pay the bank fees. Now to solve these, there is digital gold. Digital gold has gained a lot of popularity in the financial marketplace. A digital gold purchase in an instant online gold purchase, same as how we buy stocks earlier. We used to get physical stocks back in Harshad Mehta time. If you have watched Scam 1992, where Harshad office used to have a lot of documents in his office, and later it got moved to dematerialized format, which is using demat accounts, which is used by us presently. Same way, gold here gets credited to your online gold wallet. You can at later stage choose to get this digital gold delivered in physical form to your address, or you can even sell it digitally without incurring any additional cost. Easy, right? Many apps like Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay allow us to buy from it. You can even invest in this as low as 1 rupee. The liquidity is higher. You can even buy and sell and how much you want, as it is stored in third-party vault. You can even take delivery of it, looking at certain conditions like buying minimum amount to 0.5 to 1 gram. And of course, there are no storage charges here. But there are charges when selling this gold, which is nearly 3 to 6%. And at one point of time after maturity, you have to convert this digital gold to physical gold, which then draws us to same point. Even if you sell it, you will be charged with capital gains tax because it is physical now. So what? Like, we don't invest in gold, we leave it. Isn't there a better choice to invest in it? Before we talk about the best way to invest in it, subscribe to the channel and smash the like button. Really appreciate it. Moving on to the better way that we have is known as Sovereign Gold Bond, SGB. These are backed by RBI and they are issued in year multiple times, and they are issue dates where you can apply for it. Also, the chances of defaulting, it is 0.0001%, as it is backed by Government of India until India doesn't face any situation like Venezuela or Zimbabwe. This is 100% secured. You can buy this from 1 gram and you don't have to pay GST, and it's zero charge because there is no gold here. Wait, what? No gold? Yes, the idea behind SGB is there is no gold stored, but only documents are issued by RBI, and you can trust them obviously. The value is based on current market price of gold. Also, surprisingly, you get a 50 rupees per gram discount when buying, as it is encouraged by Government of India to buy. The bonds have a tenure of 8 years with an exit option. Starting from the 5th year, issued by the government, they are tradable on stock exchange. Also, TDS is not applicable on them, meaning you don't have to pay capital gains tax on appreciation. Also, the best part, you get interest, which is 2.5% per annum, but which is taxable according to your tax slab. which is not bad. This can be used as collateral for loans too. Now to invest in it, you can buy when RBI issues it during the year or use Demat account if you don't have one. I'll put link in the description below of Zerodha Kite, which is India's #1 discount broker. Charges are less and it is super fast to buy anything. Once you register on Zerodha, open Kite, go to watchlist and type SGB there. The bonds which you will buy from secondary markets. So in this you will see you have SGB August 24, which is priced at 4,916 for 1 gram, and others such as SGB August 28 priced at 4,180 per gram. Now this August 28 means the bond will expire on this year, which is August of 2028. And if we see others such as SGB 29, which expired in the year 2029, costing us 4,733 per gram of gold. So choose with lower price and search for your desired period to hold. Once selected, go ahead and place the order. The bond will be credited to your Demat account. Now, if you got to know about how to invest in gold and how you can earn interest on it, the price also appreciates. Share it with your friends and family and let them to invest in smarter way of investing in gold. To check out how you can buy stocks like a pro, check out this video on what is fundamental analysis. Until then, my name is Vishal. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you.